Hello there. This video is going to be a quick tutorial on how to install the Ourworld client on a Windows machine. I've recently noticed people struggling with this, and watching this video should hopefully remove all doubts in your mind. It's a pretty straightforward process, and what you'll need today is a web browser. I'm using Firefox here, but Chrome, Opera, or even Internet Explorer would work. Secondly, you need a Windows machine. The client is available for Mac as well, but this video is about a Windows installation. So if you'd like to follow along step by step, I'd recommend you'd be on Windows. We'll make a Mac tutorial if necessary later on. So to begin, what we're going to do is go to their official website. It's open right here on the screen as well as in the description. And once you're here, you want to click on the link that says download native app. And this will take you to the downloads page. Now we're on a Windows system, so we're going to choose Windows, and that will download a zip file for us. Make sure you save the file if you get this pop-up. If not, then chances are then it's already saved for you. Pretty simple so far. Now, the zip folder is something that I've seen people struggle with for a while, so I'm going to lay some rumors to rest here. You don't need a special software to open this folder that includes WinRAR, WinZip, or 7-zip. Your Windows system by default is more than capable of taking care of zip folders, and we'll see that here in just a second. Let's try to find our file first by searching for it. It's called Ourworld_win, and we're going to press enter. Once this is open, you will see that it's a zipped folder, and you will have compressed folder tools right here. And what you want to do is click on that and then press extract all, and then press extract again. This will open a new window for you, and you will see that there is a folder titled Ourworld inside. You want to take this folder and you want to put it somewhere convenient, somewhere that you will remember. Let's take it and put it on our desktop for now, and we'll clear up the clutter a little bit. Double click this or open this folder, and you will see that the client is right here. However, when you first run the client, you might find an error such as this one. It's nothing really to worry about. It's pretty standard procedure, and one of the ways Microsoft is trying to protect you from attackers. We're just going to click more info and run anyway, because we trust the developers of Ourworld, and that will effectively open our client, and you're set. Now you just have to click here, log in, and you're good to go. Coming back is just as simple as searching for Ourworld again, like so, and pressing enter here, or just searching for this folder wherever you place it in that convenient little location. You can come back and press this. Something to keep in mind, however, is that you don't want to take this client and you don't want to put it outside this folder. Turns out all of these things are resources it needs in order to run. And that's really it. If you have any questions, feel free to put that in the comments or find and message Popcorn Hub in game. I'm always open to more questions, and if you find any issues, then I'd love to solve it. See you guys in the next one.